Today is day number 17 of drinking celery juice. Hi, my name is Jim and I make videos talking about chronic pain. Mine is due to about 40 years now with thoracic outlet syndrome, or TOS. I've also had 3 lower back surgeries, so I have a lot of lower back and leg pain as well. And I've been experimenting with drinking celery juice for the last 17 days now to see if that helps with any of my chronic pain issues. First 3 days I just drank it in the morning on an empty stomach, like the medical medium Anthony William recommends. And the last 14 days I've been doing an afternoon dose too, so 16 ounces in the morning, 16 ounces in the afternoon. So basically a whole bunch of celery pretty much makes up 16 ounces. And I always say I can't really notice too much difference in my pain, but I do notice that I have a lot of energy. I feel real clear-headed. My stomach feels good. It's supposed to help with digestion, and it kind of flushes you out. So I notice some mornings I have to go to the bathroom more than others, but it does, when you drink it on an empty stomach in the morning, it does kind of flush you out. Sometimes I have to go to the bathroom, a couple times after that during the morning, but I'm stuck at home anyway, so it doesn't really matter. I'm close to the bathroom, so that doesn't really bother me. But like I said, my digestion feels really good. I notice I don't burp or have to take much Alka-Seltzer or anything like that, because sometimes I do have to, and so my stomach is feeling pretty good there. It's not helping my circulation any. It's a little cold out, and I have problems with, like, I don't know if it's from the thoracic outlet syndrome or like Raynaud's syndrome, but my fingers turn white in cold weather, so I always have to keep my hands in my pockets and stuff. I did tell my doctor about that, and that's pretty much what his solution was: keep your hands in your pockets or wear gloves. So, and I never had that problem until we moved here about 3 years ago, and it was right the time I had my lumbar fusion surgery. So I don't know if the weather's colder here or having that surgery like maybe changed the shape of my spine some, and it's affecting, my TOS and my circulation. I'm not really sure what that is, but it's kind of annoying. I get that my fingers turn white, and then it's almost kind of scary. If you lose the blood, it's hard to get the blood back in them. So it's a little cold out here right now. I'm having some problem with that. A few people asked if the celery affected my blood pressure any. I do have a blood pressure cuff, and I've checked it, and it seems to be okay. I do take blood pressure medication, and I'm still taking that. So, but the celery hasn't seemed to affect my blood pressure any. Seems to be some kind of salts. I think he calls them, Anthony William calls them sodium cluster salts, I believe. And that's what's in the celery that's supposed to help heal things, is these, he says it's kind of an undiscovered type of salt. So that's what's supposed to help heal things. But anyway, like I said, it's 17 days. I really haven't noticed, too much. It's costing me, I've just been using regular celery most of the time, and it's $2 a bunch for regular. But the last time, the regular celery didn't look that good, so I bought organic, and it was like $2.50 a bunch. But it was bigger, juicier clumps, and it seems to make more juice. So really the difference between regular and organic isn't really that much. But like right now, I actually ordered one of Anthony Williams' books, the Liver Rescue book, and I think I'm going to try his heavy metal detox smoothie. And I had to order some of that stuff that goes in it, some of the supplements that go in it, and it's kind of taken some time to come because of all the virus thing, and it's kind of affecting the mail and everything. So I'm still waiting on that. For now, I'm doing 2 doses of the celery juice, and I think once I start the heavy metal detox smoothie, I might just do that, the celery in the morning and the and then the heavy metal detox thing in the afternoon, because otherwise it kind of starts to get kind of expensive. So anyway, you know, I'm just gonna, like I said, stick with it for a while longer and see if I notice anything, because, you know, I've been in pain for, like with the thoracic outlet syndrome, 40 years. So I don't know if, you know, over time it will help any of that stuff. What I'm hoping is it'll maybe help some of my nerve pain and some of my muscle pain, but I don't know if I've really noticed anything really yet. I have been doing a lot of fascia blasting, you know, self-massage with my fascia blaster tools. I have 3 of these, 3 different size ones, and these are my favorite massage tools to, you know, work on tight muscles and stuff. But these tools are great, so I've been being pretty aggressive with these, and seems like I've been recovering pretty fast. I do get a little bruising here and there, but you know, I have been recovering pretty fast, so I don't know if the juice helps with that or not. It might maybe help keep me hydrated a little bit, and, you know, keep my muscles and my fascia more hydrated. So I don't know. Like I said, I'm going to give it, you know, more time and see if I notice anything, but I do feel good mentally, and I do have pretty good energy. My stomach feels good. Those are the things I noticed mainly so far, so I'm just going to keep it going and see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Talk to you guys next time.